Welcome to Time Machine, your slow motion photo booth. Let me show you how it works. Before your event, let's pick a backdrop that matches your theme. We'll help you design a graphic overlay. We even have several filters to choose from. And you can choose what music is applied to the videos. Our amazing software quickly applies your customizations to the videos filmed at your event. Guests will immediately see the edited footage on the flat screen, share to social media from our kiosk, and even grab a print as a keepsake. Welcome to Time Machine, your slow motion photo booth.
Like Laffy Taffy silly. Look, I make the groove get down. I love it when she shake that little ghetto booty, girl. Like, hold up, touch your knees to your elbows. She like my kicks, bet your Nike don't sell those. But